Greetings all! Today, I wish to show you how to create slides using AI. First, open your web browser. After opening it, visit this link. You'll see something called slides.a. There's an install button next to it. Click that button. After clicking, it will ask for your Gmail ID verification. Once verified, it will install itself. After that, open a new tab and type slides.new in the search bar. When you hit enter, a new format will open. This belongs to Google, where we can create our slides. First, you will see an extension button at the top. Click on the extension button. Then, you will see slides.a at the bottom. Click on it. As soon as you click it, you will see these options. Click on Generate Slides. After clicking, in a short while, a format will open where you will see a box. In that box, you can write a minimum of 350 and a maximum of 2,500 characters. Then, you will see Presentation Type. You can make it general, birthday, conference, educational, or sales. It's your choice. I am keeping it general for now. Next, write how many slides you want. I want 8 slides for my animals. So, I'm writing 8. After that, you will see Themes. Click on Themes. You will see various themes. Choose the one you like. I've already chosen Modern Monogram Dark. Let's go back to the text. Paste the data here. If you want, you can write it carefully. But remember, it should be no more than 2,500 characters. My slides are about animals, and in each slide, I have a topic about different animals. After entering the data, where you see the Create Slides button, I'm clicking on it. After clicking, a new format will open. As soon as it opens, it will take 2 to 3 minutes, and your slides will be ready. You won't be able to edit them though. Now, click on the cross button to close it. After closing, you can see it has prepared many slides for you. As I mentioned, I'm making slides about animals. Each slide has a different animal topic. It has even added pictures of the animals. This is how you can create slides. You can add your own data and get slides generated as you wish. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.